Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. Today is Wednesday, February 18, 2026, 9:24 a.m. Mountain Time, almost half an hour past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We do have the market moving higher this morning. Nasdaq up 1.2%, Dow is up 0.6, S&P is up 0.9. Volume is a little bit lower, but it's okay. We do see 20 stocks on the move here. At the bottom, we have 50% above average volume, which is pretty good. So overall, I think today looks good so far. Let's take a look at the index here. We'll start with QQQ, Nasdaq 100 ETF here. So we are bouncing back today. We kind of came down to the low yesterday. It doesn't look very good, but today we have a nice bounce. Once again, we're still stuck in this trading zone pretty much. This is a long consolidation. We are at the 10-day here, so we're not completely out of the woods for sure. Um, we're just bouncing right now at this moment. Next, we look at SPY here. Okay, a little bit loading slow here. SPY also bounced back to the 10-day. Again, yesterday also dropped to the near the lows here, testing the low. So, it's a good thing that, they did test their low. So, so now they're bouncing. This is Dow. Dow looked pretty good actually. It's now above the 10-day, decisively here. So we close strong here. We could be setting up for another strong day tomorrow as the momentum builds here. IWM also bouncing as well. So both Dow Jones and IWM looking pretty good, leading the market in general. In terms of stocks on the move, we have Macy. I think there's some buyout happening there. We have ADI here. Let's take a look at ADI. Moving really strong this morning on earnings news. So that looks really good. Let's look at Nvidia as well. Nvidia is again same as the index, been just moving sideways most of the time. Uh, haven't really make big move. Right now it is bouncing above the 10-day once again. Okay, let me just bring up my list here. What else do we see here? Light, MU, WDC, all those leaders are still going at it. And then we have UI. Let me load up light here. Here we go. We're sitting at new high. It doesn't want to give up much this morning. Looks healthy right now. MU. This one's bouncing as well off the 10-day, looking pretty sharp. Pretty strong move this morning as well, 6%. Western Digital also bouncing really strong here. It'll be closing high if it closes here. So that looks really good. Okay, so that is the tech stocks. Let me keep going here. We also have UI in the telecom service. Wayfair, TNL. TNL is a newer name. It broke out this morning on good earnings report. This looks pretty good at this moment. Let me see what other we have GLW and MNST here. Let's take a look at Corning. Corning is more electrical products here. It is again moving towards new high right now, so that looks really good as well. Monster MNST, it's also breaking out at this moment. This looks really good. Earnings in 8 days. Yeah, it looks really sharp. Look at this, a lot of blue volume on the upside. Looks really good too. Okay, let's keep going here. We have APG in the security area. Let's look at that. This one is bouncing a little bit. Not a big move, only 1%, but it is bouncing. Let me check out that industrial area here. We have ESLT, GE, VRT. Let's take a look at VRT. This one making new high this morning. It is pulling back right now. But yeah, we'll see how it closes. But right now it's pulling back. But it's close to new high. Yeah. What else we have? SGI, KRMN, TMDX, Link, ESLT, FLR, LPG, WDCMU, Monster, Run, PTSG, VSEC. Okay, nothing here too significant at least. Okay, PTSG, that's Bright Spring Health. Let's take a look at that. So this one is bouncing strong today on 5%. Um, so we're getting close to breaking to new high here. So we'll see like how that goes. There is some bounce on the gold side. Let's quickly just take a quick look here. GLD. So it's bouncing back above the 10-day once again. Yesterday it went below it, even went below the 21-day. So very volatile, turbulent in recent days. AU, Algo, BVN, and then same thing with SIL SSRM here. On the financial side, we have BCS, MRX, and WAL. Financials have been pretty weak lately, so although it's bouncing in yesterday and today, let's just take a quick look at the index here, KRE. Yeah, see, it's kind of weak. It's already pulling back this morning once again, but it is above the 10-day. So